Hi everyone, right now I'm going to be doing an A4 size steampunk canvas. Now in this one I've got a selection of goodies. Now I will be using some flowers that I've got. I'm just filming, I've just started, yeah, here. So, just a minute put the camera on and you'll come in. You must time it, I don't know how you do it. I've got a bunch of mixed flowers, because I do want some flowers on it as well, because it's a feminine one. Now, I looked for a picture to use, and I couldn't find one of side face, you know, profile picture. And the ones that I had, I wasn't sure whether they were copyrighted or not, so, you know, I have to be careful. But what I've done is, I've decided to do my own. And I've just taken a piece of plain card. I've edged it in walnut stain, and I've drawn on the eye like it's closed, the eyebrow, the lips and the nose. And I think with what I'm going to do with shading it as well, it may work. Let's just hope it does. It should do. So I've got that. I've also got a clock, Tim Holtz clock, die cut. I've got a nice fancy hat, some dewdrops with the Bon Voyage and the north, south, east and west on. I've got a little bit of this that I can use. I've also got a chipboard hanging sign, which I can put something on there. Like I might put a picture of a girl or something on there. Now, on my steampunk stuff, I did collect industrial chic, besides other bits and pieces. So I've got a very large collection of things that I've gathered over the months. This was from a car boots. There's just some purple bling. It's all going to get painted, so I'm not bothered what colour it is. But it's just some big bling I can put on if I want to. I've got some beads, you know, string beads. Some chain, nice chain with tassels. I've got lots of clockwork bits and keys and cogs and things like that. Some bling, some keys. I've got this that came, another key. This sort of stuff. You know, it's just like a piece of leather with bling on it. And I've got it in black and silver, but like I say, it's all getting painted anyway. And I also have a set of these, which they're like a light bulb, and it's friends and treasures, memories. You know, they've all got different words on them, so I can use some of those. So I do like them, they're like a light bulb. I've got a tooth, I might want to put that in. It's not a real one, it's a claw or whatever. Little crown, wooden crown. I've also got some clock hands that I've been collecting. Some more cogs and bits of wire and things like that. And then in here, again, more. Let me just tip this out. Let me just show you what I've got. Just steampunky bits. So I want to keep that. That's a bar. You know, bits and pieces, light bulbs, bit of bling. These crystals. Just lots of wire that I've twisted myself. And beads. So I've got a good collection of things that I can craft with. The thing is, I've had a picture in my head of what I want to do for a long time, and I'm going to do it. I've got some of this as well, and what I like about it is that it bends. You can bend it, and it's quite flexible, and do what you like with it. So yeah, I'm going to use that for the hair, to be honest. So I now need to cut that into sections. I want pretty long hair. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm not sure whether that might be the easiest part to get hold of. So I'm just going to cut all these the same length. I might need more, I might need less, I don't know. We'll just see how we go on. But I've got so many of those cut anyway. So, and my thing is now is to get the picture on. And I'm going to put the picture here. And I've got the glue gun on, yeah. So I've got that going. And just, you know, just build on it. I'm just checking because what I've done now is I've put the other video up. It was in private, and I've now uploaded it to public. So yeah, I'm going to do this first. and I just want this laid flat onto the... I'm going to get my glue gun going because it's been sat a while. I'm just going to place it there, like that, and then just pop that on. I mean, the best thing about this is it is my own artwork, so that would, you know, I'd be happy just to have that on there like that. And then what I'm going to do is, first of all, is put the hair on. And I've done it like that double. And I'm just going to, I'm not sure where I'm going to have it at the moment, so I'm just going to start and place it on the ends like that. This is the hard bit, because you have to coil them. And I could have coiled them before I put them on, but I didn't want to. I now need to find just a nice stick. And what I'm going to do is just to wrap that around like that. I'm going to leave them straight, but I will shape them when I need them to go, when I'm ready to do that. Right, I'm back. I've managed to do all I want to do with it. I've glued some of it down. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to decorate it. And first of all, I'm going to use some of the... I'm saying this. I don't know whether I will. I've got to glue some of the other bits on first before I do any more with that. So I am going to glue on the clock. Hi everyone, right, as you can see this canvas is finished. Now I did have an accident with the face, hence why you can't see the face anymore. Well, you can see that it is a face because the contour line and that, which I'm going to outline a little bit more. But I accidentally spilt the black paint, well, dripped it on, and I couldn't take it off because it was all glued in, so I had to just colour it in. So I just did it all black and then went over it with colour. But as you can see, the hair's done. Some of it is free. I love it. I like the whole thing. I think it's looking really nice. You can see everything that I've put on it. There's nothing hidden anywhere. Yeah, and I think it's come out really nice. When you see this in the light properly with the face and the hair, it looks fantastic. The hair took the longest part because I had to wind it round a stick, and I love it. I just love the way it looks. All free, I can bend it wherever I want to. So I hope you like that. Please stay for the photographs and they show close-up pictures. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye bye for now.